Where we're going?
Into the back of the freaking car if I keep looking at your video machine. Forerunner!
Ah!
We're going to, I don't know. I've forgotten where we're going. Where are we going?
Belmopan!
Good idea.
Meant to be one of the 2 sleeping giants, right?
Yes. I went to take the side turn and I was too busy fucking looking at that freaking.
We're in the parliament trying to enter a hearing for weed decriminalization. Because, you know, Brianna is like carrying.
Head. No. Okay, let's cut that out. I really don't smoke.
Waiting for the Prime Minister to arrive.
Yeah.
Really nice special screen.
The hearing didn't happen. We couldn't get in because we have shorts. But we decided to come to San Herman's Blue Hole National Park, see some caves and do some swimming.
Yeah, I think it's got atmosphere.
Yeah, no.
That's right.
We got out of the San Herman's cave and now we're gonna do some trailing until we get to the Blue Hole, inland Blue Hole, es el cenote. Nos fuimos de la cueva de San Germán o San Germán y estamos haciendo ahora un poco de trailing por el bosque o la selva, mejor dicho, y hasta llegar, va a ser como una hora y media hasta llegar a el hoyo azul, el Blue Hole, pero el que está en tierra aquí en Belize, que es un cenote.
These are the ferry's remote swimming holes.
So the guys left me, they don't want to keep trailing. They took the car and they're going to the Blue Hole, and I'm gonna keep trailing by myself. It's gonna be like an hour, 10 minutes trailing. I made it, guys. Yeah. Let's go.
ready, girl. 2 fried shrimp. 1 with rice, 1 with fries. Yeah. Yes.
Sharing the Chinese. Belize in Chinese, by the way. Recommended by the host again, which so far everything that he recommended has been awesome.